Good morning, everybody. It is July 31st. We are on day 20, I think, or is it day? Let's see. This is day 18 results. Yeah. So it's day 19 of the TradeBlade coin flip challenge. We're going to go ahead and get that started now. Let's get the pair card going first. We're going to set our prop firm account to the sim prop and our select our hedge account. We are going to, this is our live cash account. Now this is a real account. We don't want that. Sim live. And we're going to flip a coin and we're going to find out if TradeBlade can be profitable even if you just flip a coin. Pretty incredible stuff. Right now we are on day 3 of our bonus round. So a bonus round for us means we get paid no matter what happens. So what has happened so far, if you haven't followed the series, is we've gotten 2 cycles through the bonus round. So we've had 2 trades through the bonus round, and we won 2 in a row. We don't know what's going to happen next, but we are going to flip a coin, and we are going to see what happens. So let's do that now. If it is a 1, we're going to take a long. If it's a 2, we're going to take a short. So we're going to take a long. Here we go. There we are. Okay. 300 and 1,000. All right.
Pairing card armed.
We already have a trade going right now. This is an actual live real trade going on. That's why I have stream on here. When you click hovering over this tells you what it does. This actually aliases your real account so that, you know, it protects your
stop loss on NQ, profit target on MNQ. Pair resolved.
Okay, so the NQ trade just hit in profit. I've been trading all night, so I've gotten a couple of funded accounts out of it. So I've given some hedge drag, but this has been my results so far. So we're going to go ahead and continue with the coin flip challenge. We did get a 1, I believe. Yes. Results 1. Okay. Let's go ahead. We're going long. Boom.
Prop long filled on NQ.
So we have not been filled on our short yet, which is not good. This is a massive problem for us. If we don't get filled right here, and this is why I need to really pay attention. 2 things went wrong here. What went wrong, number 1, is I only have 1 hedge on this. So I need 3 more hedges. So I'm going to go in and correct this here in a minute. I guess I don't have to. We can just count it as 4, but if it fills, I'm going to count it as not a fill, as a naked, you know, it could be a naked loss. This is really critical that we're filled on these. And so if we don't get filled right here, this is It's a massive problem for us. Two eight four. Okay, so I'm gonna handle the three additional. Oh, this is the wrong. Okay. This is wrong. So, this is for the, okay, so we want sim live. Okay, I'm looking for the, okay, so we've got one here. Okay, this is something where I rarely do, but I'm going to go ahead and open this chart trader up. I'm going to actually put an ATM strategy in place. And I'm going to actually, huh, it already says 3. That's interesting. Okay, that's cool. That's fine. So it has nothing to do with me. Come on. I can't. Okay, so let's reduce. There you go. Okay, so now this may be a moot point because this doesn't come back here and clip this in, then we have a naked hedge and we will not collect any money. And this is a massive problem for TradeBlade. TradeBlade is a lot of things, but it cannot help you if you have any naked positions. The whole thing is based on hedging. So if I don't get filled here, and this has been a challenge, I have solved that challenge a couple of different ways. When you're really trading real money, you may want to just do market orders on both your prop side and your hedge side. On this one, I chose a market order and a limit on the hedge. So a market on the prop account fires an order, boom, you're in. Whatever price that you were filled at, you actually get um, a limit order at that exact same price on the micro version. That's what has happened here. But since price didn't oscillate around this level, it didn't fill. So it's dropped down, and we're trying to get a fill here. If we don't get a fill here, this is going to be, I mean, this is a really big problem. I hope I really should have I really should have set this to markets for both the prop and the sim. That's really the issue here. I mean, there's no sense in giving, you give up a couple of dollars. There's no sense in trying to save $2 or even $8 because we're running 4 contracts, but we're giving up $400 possibly if we don't get filled to save that $8. Stupid. That's a stupid trade. So we're going to try to hopefully get this filled right now. Hopefully it's going to get filled here. It's struggling to make it back up to this price point. Unfortunately, what's the reality is if we do get filled here, it's likely going to go higher, which means we will have filled into a losing position. So We don't really know what's going to happen here. We're trying to figure this out. So we're just sitting here waiting. I don't really know what to do here. There's nothing really to talk about. I do have to get this. I don't want to, I usually break until I'll launch the trade, and then even if it doesn't finish, I'll conclude and I'll give you the results the next day. I simply put the results into Claude and have him spit out this. So really hoping this thing comes back up, because this, when your account is small, like this my sim prop account is small. So yeah. So here's the sim prop account here. Oh, this is the sim prop. So this is the sim cash account. When the sim cash account is small like this $400, like if we don't get this filled here, and this $400 that we could have collected, moving down $1,000 worth on NQ. Let me show you.
Stop
Yeah, we're
loss on
screwed.
NQ.
We're
Pair
screwed.
resolved.
We got screwed. We got fucking screwed. So I'm not gonna count that. You know what? I'm gonna count that as a fill, since it's fake anyway. And the right way to have done this was to simply hit market on both sides. So I'm going to count that as a fill, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and report to Claude that we did lose the prop account. I'm not going to fix the results, but I am going to fix the fill. Fill is easily fixed by simply hitting market, and I suggest that you do that on your entries, especially the more important entries. The entries like the evals, those with one hedge, those you can be like, use one of our other directional mode or our market limit order or whatever you want to do. There's 4 modes here. But when it's a very important fill like this, it's very, very critical that we get filled. So I'm going to count that as a win. That's a $400 to the upside for us. And I'll have all the results, and I'll have the new card for you, the new day 19 results bonus round card filled out for you for tomorrow. So, excuse me. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in learning more about TradeBlade, go to tradebladehq.com and explore, look around. Thank you so much, and we will talk to you later. Have a good day.